In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use task queues in HubSpot so you can work through your follow-ups faster, stay organized, and never miss an important action. Task queues are one of the most powerful productivity features inside HubSpot, especially if you're in sales, customer success, or any role where you manage daily outreach. By the end of this video, you'll know how to access task queues, start working through them efficiently, and even create new tasks directly inside a queue. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot guides. All right, let's jump in. First, we need to navigate to the Tasks area inside HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account, then look over to the main navigation menu. From there, click on CRM and in the dropdown, select Tasks. This will take you to your main task dashboard, where you can see all of your assigned tasks, due dates, and organization options. This is the central place where everything related to your task management lives. Next, let's choose a task queue. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Queues. HubSpot typically includes a default queue, such as Today or Assigned to Me. Depending on your subscription, you may also have custom queues. Keep in mind that while the free plan allows you to use queues, creating multiple custom queues may require certain paid plans. To open a queue, simply click on its name in the left sidebar. For example, you might have a call list queue or a follow-up queue. Clicking the name will filter your tasks so you only see the ones assigned to that specific queue. Now let's start working through a queue. Once you're inside the queue you want to use, look to the top right corner and click the orange Start Queue button. This is where the real productivity boost happens. When you start the queue, HubSpot will display your tasks one at a time in a guided workflow. It will automatically pull up the associated contact, company, or deal record so you don't have to search manually. You can focus on the task in front of you without distractions. As you go through each task, you'll have the option to complete it, skip it, or reschedule it. This streamlined process makes it much easier to power through calls, emails, or follow-ups in a structured way. As you work through each task, you'll notice several action options depending on the task type. You can click Complete once the task is finished. If you need to come back to it later, choose Reschedule and pick a new date and time. If it's not relevant right now, you can skip it. For call tasks, you'll often see options to log a call directly. For email tasks, you may be able to send the email right from the record. You can also create notes to document conversations or updates. This keeps all activity logged in one place and ensures your CRM data stays clean and organized. Finally, let's look at how to create a new task and add it to a queue. In the Task section, click the Create Task button in the upper right corner. A panel will open where you can choose the task type, such as call, email, or to-do. Fill in the details like the title, due date, and associated contact or deal. Then look for the Queue drop-down menu. From there, select the queue you want this task to be added to. Once you save it, that task will automatically appear inside the selected queue, ready to be worked on the next time you start it. And that's it. You now know how to use task queues in HubSpot to stay organized, move faster, and structure your daily workflow more effectively. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.